Welcome to Fraction Series Episode 4. Today we're going to focus on dividing fractions. So dividing fractions is very similar to multiplying fractions. There's just one extra step. So let's go ahead and do the first question here. All you need to do is take the second fraction and flip it, and then change the division sign into a multiplication sign. Now it's basically the same as it was in the multiplying fractions. So we can cross reduce the 3's here, and then we get a final answer of 2. Let's try another one. Flip it and change to multiplication. And then we can cross reduce and get 20. Now this last question here, you kind of can want to write it as 3 over 4 divided by 9 over 12, and then flip the fraction, and then you can cross reduce, and then you can even reduce more, and we get an answer of 1. So basically the main idea here is just understanding that when you're dividing fractions, division and fraction symbols are kind of the same thing. So you just need to figure out how that flipping process works. Okay, that's it for this episode. Go ahead and do the homework on the left there in blue, and it'll be taken up in a quick YouTube short.